Crestron Room Scheduling. It's about so much more than booking a room. It's about keeping an organization moving smoothly, smartly, managing the flow of people and ideas, maintaining productivity, gathering intelligence every step of the way. Crestron Room Scheduling, a complete platform, a total solution that's as easy as it is effective. No more searching for a free room, or searching for a room, period. Reserve a space from an app, from a desktop, or on the spot. Touchscreens show what's happening throughout the day. Room indicator lights show the way. A complete platform that's easy to install, then manage and maintain remotely through the cloud. A complete platform that decouples hardware from software, so when your organization changes direction, it does too, seamlessly. A solution with the power to promote productivity. Occupancy sensors gather data on canceled meetings and room usage, so you can manage and reallocate spaces at every turn. Now that you know how much more the right scheduling platform can do, find out more about Crestron Room Scheduling.